What's up guys, this is your girl Navi and today I'll be doing another cooking vlog. And yes, today is September 30th, the last day of the month. So yay to us who have seen the last of this month. We give God thanks. Yeah, and also today is a Friday and we don't normally cook on a Friday. You know, we Jamaicans and I know many other people from many different cultures also take onto that fact that, you know, you go easy on a Friday. So normally we do takeouts, or if we are cooking, we do something light. So sometimes I do porridge, I do things like pasta and fried dumplings, something that is different from what you normally do in the week. So today I'll be doing pasta. So over here, you see I have my mixed vegetables. And yes, I have my spaghetti, 2 packs. I have sweet corn. I have my garlic, my good tin mackerel. Yeah, I'm gonna use 3 tins, guys, and onions, tomato, and thyme. Yeah, so yeah, let's begin. So you know, I can't stress this enough, guys. I have already washed my hands, but just to demonstrate, because I can't stress that enough, guys, hand washing is a must. We have to be careful of what we are putting in our belly. Our hands carry a lot of germs. So guys, please, whenever you're cooking, wash your hands. It's not gonna kill you. You're doing good for yourself. You're doing good for those who are eating. And this that I'm doing is not just a show, because you know some people like to put on a show when they're doing these things. Guys, I am real. Whatever you see I'm doing here, this is what I stress in this house. With whoever is cooking for me, please, I watch them. If they're not washing their hands, I will not eat. Sorry, I'm not eating that food, because we have to be careful of what goes in our stomach. What goes in our stomach can damage us for life. So we have to be careful.
You very smart.
So yes, guys, I have the pot over here on the stove. Yeah, you see it over there. So I'm gonna add the mixed vegetable. So yeah, these are frozen, guys. I'm gonna add the mixed vegetable to the water. Let me just use that. Okay, so the mixed vegetable, and then I'm gonna add this spaghetti. So I normally break them in 2, but I don't like them that long. So I break them in half. You don't have to break them if you like them longer, but I normally do that. I break them in half. That will give you a good amount. My husband is not a lover of pasta, but he definitely will eat it, especially on a Friday. Don't give him in the week, he will bypass it, guys. But on a Friday, yeah, we'll play around with it. So I'm just checking to see if this is enough. It's not a lot of us, guys, so I don't want any food to be wasting, so I have to check the amount. I don't want to do too much. Yes, and this mixed vegetable, I already have corns in it, but I still put more corn because you have to get the vegetable. Now I'm going to add some salt. Not too much, because you don't want it to be too salty, right guys? So yes, let me switch fire. This one goes faster. So while that is on the way, I'm gonna clean up to take care of the seasoning. And I love a lot of onions in any food for that reason. Here is not like Jamaica. Onions are fairly cheap, I would say. So like a bag of onions, let me show you guys. So this is almost on the finish, and here we have another bag of onions. So this bag would be like $3 something. Yeah, three something. So we don't have to cut them and to use them like half for now and half for another meal and stuff. You can just use one onion. And then again, guys, as a health issue, onions on a whole is not good for cutting and leaving. Because when you cut an onion and leave it in the fridge or wherever, all the bacteria that is in that fridge or wherever you put it, it's gonna suck up. The onion is gonna suck that thing up. And everything is gonna be in the onion. So the next time you use it, you're cooking all those things. And that is what causes us to be sick. So we have to be careful, guys. Whenever you buy onions, I know it's very hard, especially in Jamaica, because back then I used to cut onions. So sometimes one onion served for 3 cooking. Yeah, 1. And not even this big. Smaller than this. Yeah, I know it's very hard. So I'm not here acting as if, yeah, I know where I'm coming from and I know how hard I used to have it. But see if you can buy them small, very small. And use them in one serving, because honestly, guys, it's not good. I know that from back home, but what could I do? You know? What could I couldn't do any better at that particular time. But when you can do a little better, try to do it, guys. So remember, when you buy an onion, use it in one go. Don't cut it and put it down to reuse it. It's not good. So I'm gonna wash these. I normally get all the seeds out of my tomato. I wash them out. Because, you know, again, the seeds are not good for you to be consumed. No, it's not good. So I wash out all my seeds. Whether here or back home, I normally wash them out. Do you understand? Oh, I forgot the bell peppers. Do I have some frozen? These kids, my goodness. I have frozen bell peppers, guys. So when I have a lot of bell peppers, I normally wash them and then I freeze them. I have them in different colors. So you just have to, this is already washed. I'm going to take out some different colors, but I'm still going to rinse them because it's hard. It's not plain clean, guys. It's very hard. It's tough. I need it to be softened. They're already washed and put in these bags. So I have a lot in my freezer. When you use these with these colors, you know, make your meal so colorful. So that is what I love about making pasta. It is just appealing to the eyes because of the different colors that you use. Color is everything to a meal, guys. Color enhance your meal and it makes it more palatable. You know, because even the children, sometimes they don't want to eat, but sometimes the colors that they see are how you arrange the food. Yes, that appeals to their appetite and makes them want to eat it. So, yeah. I'm holding it this way because it is hard and the knife is very sharp and I don't want it to cut me. Okay, so there we go. We have our seasoning here. All prepped. Then I'm gonna put a little stack of thyme. Thyme helps to give the pot flavor. All of that. Yeah. So yes, guys, you can see it is now boiling. can see the mixed vegetable in it. And you can see the different colors it is giving off. Yeah. So I'm just going to leave it to be boiled, not too soft, but I'm going to leave it to be boiled a little more before I start to prepare the seasoning to add the pasta to it. Okay? I'm gonna prepare this. So this is the corn. Remember, as I said, guys, always wash the tins. These things are coming from far, and insects and rodents and all these things crawl upon them and stuff. You don't want to get sick, so remember, always wash your tins. Wash them, guys, for your own health. Sometimes the feces of the rat can stuck in these places. You open it right in your meal. Even the pee, the very pee of these things, you know. So you don't want these things to catch in your food, and then you become sick. So after I wash, now I'm gonna add this, because the pot I don't. Good mackerel. Add it. Yeah. That's what we call them dirty gal, or flash out. Yeah. One day I'm gonna tell you a story about this same mackerel here. It was like our national dish, you know. I do like water and I eat and we shake out. Yeah, guys, we still do it. As I say, nothing really changed when you want to put that much water again. You understand? But we still do look thing them, yeah? I said I will always remain real, you know. I never have time for add on, put off or take off. Whatever I do behind camera is the same thing I do on camera. So my life is just open. I have nothing to hide. This is the look of it so far. Yeah, I think I turned on the fire too low. I need to turn it up for it to be boiled. So here we have the pasta. I think it is ready. I don't want it to be too soft. This is a quick and easy meal. Very quick and easy. So I'm gonna add the pasta to the seasoning and everything. Now the last thing that I'm gonna add to this, and then later I'll show you the finish because I'm not ready to eat, and it's parsley. So guys, parsley is rich in vitamin C and also vitamin A, and it helps to prevent the risk of diabetes, strokes, and all of that. So this is the dried one, and I normally sprinkle it over. So it is now finished because I use it a lot, especially in my pasta. So parsley leaves are good, guys. So try to use it in your meal. as it have good health benefits. Yeah. So let's see the colors. So this is the look of my pasta, guys, and I'm gonna take a picture of the finished product when I'm eating. So bye, thanks for watching. See you guys in our next video. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and click the post notification bell that you will be notified anytime we drop another video. See you guys. Peace out.
Nice.